Fáilte Uimhreacha, welcome back. Follow me, Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Section 13. Uimhreacha telephone a aithint. Recognizing telephone numbers with a focus on aisteacht, listening. Uimhreacha telephone a aithint. Recognizing telephone numbers. Lamuna na uimhreacha a náid go dtí de agus conas iver telephone a áil agus a thuairt. So the numbers 0 to 10, how to give your telephone number and to ask for a telephone number with a focus on aisteacht, listening. Cad é d'fhir telephone? What is your telephone number? Cad é d'fhir telephone? Repeat after me. Cad é d'fhir telephone? Cad é d'fhir telephone? Notice that the H after the T makes the T silent. Cad é d'fhir telephone? Cad é d'fhir telephone? Uimhreacha telephone. So here we'll have the telephone numbers of some of the Irish organizations that promote the Irish language. More information about these organizations can be found online. So Conradh na Gaeilge, Conradh na Gaeilge, a náid a hain, a chathair a seacht a cúig, a seacht a chathair, a náid a hain. Repeat after me. Conradh na Gaeilge, a náid a hain, a chathair a seacht a cúig, a seacht a chathair, a náid a hain. Foras na Gaeilge, Foras na Gaeilge, a náid a dó a hocht, a náid a hocht a né, a náid a né, a náid a seacht. A ríis, again, Foras na Gaeilge, a náid a dó a hocht, a náid a hocht a né, a náid a ní, a náid a seacht. Gaeilge, Gaeilge, a náid a hain, a chathair a hocht a chathair, a cúig a dó a náid. A ríis, again, a náid a hain, a chathair a hocht a chathair, a cúig a dó a náid. Aithint na Gaeilge, Aithint na Gaeilge, a náid a sé a hain, a dó a trí a chathair, a seacht a cúig a chathair. A ríis, again, a náid a sé a hain, a dó a trí a chathair, a seacht a cúig a chathair. Anois, déan iarracht, tú féin, try it yourself. Cad é d'fhir telephone? Conradh na Gaeilge, aber os orde. Say it out loud. Foras na Gaeilge, Gaeilge, Aithint na Gaeilge, beag an bilóg uimhreacha telephone a aithint uait don gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout recognizing telephone numbers for this activity. Uimhreacha telephone a aithint. Recognizing telephone numbers. You'll need your handout for this activity. Pluisig tú né nimhir telephone. Cur tic leis na uimhreacha a choisian tú. You will hear 9 telephone numbers. Put a tick beside the telephone number that you hear. We'll play the recording twice.
Uimhreacha teileafóin aithint.
A náid a 74, a 9 a 1, a 3 a 5, a 4 a 6 a 7.
A náid a 4 a 4, a 5 a 6, a 9 a 2, a 3 a 4.
A náid a 1, a 8 a náid a 8, a 7 a 6, a 8 a náid.
A náid a 5 a 1 a 9, a 2 a 3 a náid, a 9 a 2.
A náid a 4, a 5 a 7, a 6 a 4, a 3 a 3 a 2.
A náid a 4 a 1, a 9 a 4 a náid, a 5 a 3 a 8 a 8.
A náid a 5 a 8, a 9 a náid, a 7 a 8 a 9.
A 3 a 3, a 5 a 2, a 7 a 9.
A náid a 4, a 2 a 5, a 5 a 7, a 1 a 8.
Uimhreacha teileafóin aithint.
A náid a 74, a 9 a 1, a 3 a 5, a 4 a 6 a 7.
A náid a 4 a 4, a 5 a 6, a 9 a 2, a 3 a 4.
A náid a 1, a 8 a náid a 8, a 7 a 6, a 8 a náid.
A náid a 5 a 1 a 9, a 2 a 3 a náid, a 9 a 2.
A náid a 4, a 5 a 7, a 6 a 4, a 3 a 3 a 2.
A náid a 4 a 1, a 9 a 4 a náid, a 5 a 3 a 8 a 8.
A náid a 5 a 8, a 9 a náid, a 7 a 8 a 9.
A 3 a 3, a 5 a 2, a 7 a 9.
A náid a 4, a 2 a 5, a 5 a 7, a 1 a 8.
Uimhreacha teileafóin aithint.
A náid a 74, a 9 a 1, a 3 a 5, a 4 a 6 a 7.
A náid a 4 a 4, a 5 a 6, a 9 a 2, a 3 a 4.
A náid a 1, a 8 a náid a 8, a 7 a 6, a 8 a náid.
A náid a 5 a 1 a 9, a 2 a 3 a náid, a 9 a 2.
A náid a 4, a 5 a 7, a 6 a 4, a 3 a 3 a 2.
A náid a 4 a 1, a 9 a 4 a náid, a 5 a 3 a 8 a 8.
A náid a 5 a 8, a 9 a náid, a 7 a 8 a 9.
A 3 a 3, a 5 a 2, a 7 a 9.
a náid a ceathair, a dó a cúig a seacht, a héan a hocht.
Uimhreacha teileafóin a aithint.
A náid a seacht a ceathair, a né a héan, a trí a cúig, a ceathair a sé a seacht.
A náid a ceathair, a cúig a sé, a naoi a dó, a trí a ceathair.
A náid a héan, a hocht a náid a hocht, a seacht a sé, a hocht a náid.
A náid a cúig a héan a naoi, a dó a trí a náid, a naoi a dó.
A náid a ceathair, a cúig a seacht, a sé a ceathair, a trí a dó.
A náid a ceathair a héan, a naoi a ceathair a náid, a cúig a trí a hocht a hocht.
A náid a cúig a hocht, a né a náid, a seacht a hocht a né.
A trí, a cúig a dó, a seacht a naoi.
A náid a ceathair, a dó a cúig a seacht, a héan a hocht.
Uimhreacha telephone a aithint. Ceistena. So the questions you might ask if you wanted to know somebody's name and their telephone number. We'll review these one more time. Cé tusa? No, cad is anamdit. Who are you? What's your name? Cé tusa? Cad is anamdit. Cad é diver telephone. What is your telephone number? Cad é diver telephone. Cad é diver telephone? Leah. What's Leah's telephone number? So practice saying these. Na fragri, the answers script. Iver a hen, a náid a seacht a ceathair, a naoi a hen, a trí a cúig, a ceathair a sé a seacht. Iver a dó, a náid a ceathair, a cúig a sé a naoi, a dó a trí a ceathair. Iver a trí, a náid a hen, a hocht a náid a hocht, a seacht a sé a hocht a náid. Iver a ceathair, a náid a cúig a hen a naoi, a dó a trí a náid a naoi a dó. Iver a cúig, a náid a ceathair a cúig a seacht, a sé a ceathair a trí a dó. Iver a sé, a náid a ceathair a hen, a naoi a ceathair a náid, a cúig a trí a hocht a hocht. Iver a seacht, a náid a cúig a hocht, a naoi a náid, a seacht a hocht a naoi. Iver a hocht, a trí a cúig, a dó a seacht a naoi. Iver a naoi, a náid a ceathair a dó a cúig a seacht a hen a hocht. Uimhreacha telephone a aithint. Recognizing telephone numbers. So in this section we worked on recognizing na Uimhreacha a náid go déide agus canas ifir telefóna all agus a thuairt, and how to give your telephone number and ask for someone's telephone number. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacintha.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhain sibh tanavas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.